Hello everyone, my name is Zishan,
And my name is Sari.
and in this vlog we're gonna show you the most famous place in Morocco called JEMAA El FNAA. So every place we went to, they were telling us go check out this place. All the tourists come here. So we're here. It's about an hour away from sunset. So we're gonna go walk around, see what this place is all about. So why don't you follow us? And here you have these street side vendors selling freshly squeezed juices. And you'll find these juices all over the place. They're fresh, squeeze them right in front of you, and they're absolutely very tasty.
Here you see like dates and other stuff which Morocco is very famous for. And they're like more fruit vendors and they just sell like their freshly squeezed juices and my favorite is orange juice.
Yes, she loves orange juice. Everywhere we go, she must have these
Yeah.
freshly
And plus
squeezed
it's way
orange.
cheaper too, right?
Yeah, I think it was like 50 cents. Um, oh, and here you have this rickshaw or tuk-tuk, as they call it in some places in Southeast Asia. It's very famous there, but in Morocco we only could see a few of them.
Probably it's just for a decoration or just display. Yeah.
And in front of us you have the sea of people. They're dancing, doing all kinds of performance for the people so they can make some money off of them. But actually, we won't be going there. Instead, we'll go to this other side where they have more street side.
And look at this guy. He has like one cat, and he just tricking people for attention with like artificial mouths. And they're like some ladies doing henna on your hands, and they did this use like organic henna. So and
This is really famous in the time of Eid. When here are these Moroccan style lamps, lights. These are actually very famous. You find them in many stores in Morocco. We actually wanted to buy. We had a plan that we're gonna get them before we come here, but unfortunately, we didn't have enough space in our luggage. We're almost close to the weight limit, so we couldn't get them. Next time, maybe.
yeah, oh, definitely. So here, like we're just moving forward towards local vendors, and they have all made in Morocco stuff where you can just buy jewelry, bags, dresses, and traditional Moroccan dresses, traditional men Moroccan dresses, and
Women too, right?
women too. Yeah.
So and if you notice over here, these people aren't really coming out and seeking your attention. It's more easygoing. You can walk around and you won't get bothered at all. And anything you like, go check it out. If not, just continue walking. They have purses, clothes, um, some food items as well. Even money exchange. You'll get a great rate, by the way, if you come from the U.S. or Europe. Better rate outside. So instead of exchanging your money at the airport, you can exchange it here. And here you have some stuff for the ladies,
And they're
necklaces.
like very pretty necklaces.
Yeah.
And you can always bargain here, like if you know like what kind of prices you can have, so you can always bargain. And the vendors are like pretty nice, and they always like adjust you there.
Yeah, I mean, this is something you'll have to get used to, especially in Marrakech. Bargaining is a big thing over there. If you're a tourist, for a thing that costs 100 dirham, which is like $10, they could even charge you 1,000 dirhams for that, just because they know you're a tourist
Yeah.
and they assume you have money. But in other cities, I know in Rabat, we didn't really have
Yeah.
that issue. I mean, prices were reasonable.
Yeah, because like especially in Marrakesh, it's like totally famous for tourists, and they just make sure how to get the money out of them. So yeah,
Yeah, that's why,
so
and
it's like
and
big.
everyone comes to Jami Al Fana. That's the
Yeah,
one place that everyone was talking about.
and that's pretty impressive too. Like they have like everything under one that round market. So you can have food, shopping, and and entertainment under one roof. So what else you need?
Yeah, absolutely. You come here one stop for everything, and here I am trying to find my way.
because he didn't get anything, and finally he got like some men's stuff here, so he was quite happy to find out like some men's.
Yeah, you know, their traditional Moroccan outfits are very comfortable. Actually, I tried them out in Rabat, and I think it was for 300 dirhams, which is like $30. And I almost bought it, but we were like, you know what? We'll come back tomorrow and buy it. But
We couldn't get a chance.
yeah, we
Yeah.
didn't go back to that store. But you know, I would definitely recommend getting these outfits at because since you get them at a reasonable price.
Yeah.
All right, so here we are, you know, almost towards the end of this. Actually, you know, there are more stores, but you know, this is coming to the end of our video. So if you did like it, make sure to give it a
Thumbs up.
and subscribe for more future videos to come.